What's going on, everyone? Roll'em over here, and today I'm going to be bringing you a short tutorial on how to MP3 download music directly from YouTube and put it on your Apple device. Unfortunately, I'm sorry guys, this does not work for Android devices. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a browser, and you're going to want to go to this website right here. It's called flvto.biz. Now this website right here can take any link from YouTube and convert it to whatever you want. You can use MP3, MP4, AVI, which you probably are not going to want here. Alright, so from here you're going to want to go to YouTube, and you can pretty much download whatever song you want if it's on YouTube. So yeah, we can look up the Beatles for an example, and we'll just take this song right here. You're going to want to copy the link address, and you're just going to want to check this off. It doesn't mean anything, but then you're going to want to paste it right in here. And if you want to download MP3, you click convert to. Alright, so when it's done downloading, it's going to come up on this screen, and you're just going to want to click download. That's it. And if you're using Google Chrome, you could just click this right here and it'll bring you to the downloads tab. And it's going to download right here. Alright, and when it's all done, you could just click on it to see if it plays correctly. I need somebody help, not just anybody. You know, Alright, so when it's all done downloading, you're going to want to put this on your desktop. Now, guys, you got to listen to this part. You cannot put any of the music in a folder or anything like that. It has to stay on your desktop, or else it will not stay in iTunes and it won't stay on your phone. Like, let's say I have all this music and I want to download more music and I have it in a folder. Once I sync my phone and this music is in a folder, it does, for some odd reason, it just does not stay. Like, it'll just delete off your phone, and you're gonna have to do it all over again, and it's just a pain in the ass. So I know it's a mess, but if you really want to keep all your music, you want to leave it on the desktop, no matter what you download. So with that, after you download it, just go to iTunes. You could take the song you want, or songs, and you're just going to want to click and drag it anywhere in here. So just let go of that, and it's right there. And your Apple device is going to be appearing somewhere in here, in this area. So all you're going to want to do is take the song after it appears in this library and just drag it over here where it says the name of your Apple device, and there's going to be something up here that says that it's copying it and putting it into your Apple device. And when you go on your Apple device, it's going to be right in your music. And that's it, guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.